Hey guys, welcome back to my channel this afternoon. I have a packing and review video for y'all today on the JuJuBe Be Right Back in the rose colored glass print. Now this is one of the prints that they recently released in the rose gold collection. This is a new collection by JuJuBe. The purpose of this collection was to showcase their rose gold hardware that they've now added to their bag. The first bag I got in this collection was the Sakura Swirl Mini Bee, and although I did love that print, I just wasn't a fan of the hardware on it for some reason. I just didn't like it, but I really did fall in love with the rose colored glass print, even though it wasn't my favorite to begin with. I did get the Be Right Back in it, and I do really like the rose gold on this particular print. I think it looks really nice, and on the Be Right Back it does really suit the bag. I just think it looks really pretty. I just came back from a lunch out with my kiddos. We went to have yum cha, so it was 7 of us including my husband, so this is packed for that purpose. So I just want to show you guys how I have it packed up and what this print looks like on the inside. So in the front here you do have a front flat pocket, and in here I have my Tokidoki coin purse with my lipstick crown and such in there. And as you can see, there's this blush or this light pink lining, and this really is pretty with this print. I kind of wish that they did this with the other ones too. Like the Sakura Swirl was really nice on the outside, but the lining is this really boring gray, like in my opinion. They could have put a different type of color on the inside of that one, but anyway. So the zippers are I guess like a off-white, which is really nice, and they are smooth, which is good. So here is the mommy pocket. So in this sunglass pocket here I just have my keys attached to the key leash, and I usually pop them in that pocket to keep them out of the way. As you can see, they do have the rose gold on the key leash hook as well, which is really nice. The little pocket at the top here, and in here I just have some mints. Loose in the pocket here I have my mini wipe pouch, my bacterial wipes, and then there is a mesh pocket down here, elastic mesh pocket. In here I have my small set piece with my mommy and make kit things, and my hand sanitizer, and my Tokidoki coin purse with my brush and hair ties and such. And there you can get a good look of the mommy pocket on the inside of this bag. I think it looks really pretty. So there is a cell phone pocket at the top, or a mobile phone pocket, and in here I just have my iPhone 10 that fits perfect in there. I know a lot of people have had issues with this particular release with stitching and holes and all that jazz. One thing that I had on mine is, well, now that we're getting around to the bottle pocket, is that this elastic here was really stretched out, or it wasn't, it was really loose. So I actually did stitch it together because I didn't want to go through returning the bag or anything, because I do really love it. But I also noticed on this side, on the back side, it's the same kind of thing. So these types of things have popped up in this release by JuJuBe. It's such a shame because it is such a good company as far as them making really nice bags. But anyways, so I digress. So we'll go into what's in each pocket. Of course, in here I do have my Funtainer. And then in the other pocket, I have a really large thermos bottle that I got from Harris Scarf for like $8. I just love the colors on this. I think it looks really cool with this print as well, with the blue and everything. So on the back here, you do have adjustable backpack straps, and there's gold hardware on the adjusters too, which is really nice. This is a really dark blue. I really like this particular blue. I think it goes really nicely as a memory foam back here. There is a zipper here, which usually has the change pad, but I just have my Lily Jade medium packing case in there with my nappy knees, 2 size 5 nappies, light change pad, and a coin purse with some baggies and stuff inside. And I love using this because it keeps it out of the way. It just fits perfect in there. You could also just chuck that stuff in there loose if you wanted to, if you didn't want to use a pouch. It's a really good spot for that. There's a top pocket here, and here is where I like to keep my wallet. And as you can see, there's pink lining in there, so I have my Lily Jade leather wallet in here. I have done a review on this as well, so I'll pop that down below and up above for you guys to see. I love this wallet. It's so nice. It does open with 2 zipper pulls on either side, and these are nice long zipper pulls. I really like how these have a good grab kind of length on them. This bag does zip all the way down, and I don't usually zip it all the way down because I don't want things to fall out. That's the only downside of the Be Right Back. A lot of people are adding gussets to their side of their bags, so it helps with things not falling out when they open it up. I haven't done that yet because I just got this bag, and I don't know if I will. It's just one of those, it's really good for school bags, but I don't necessarily need it for my just regular bag. But I will unzip it all the way down. So here we go, we have a mesh pocket at the front here. It's like a wardrobe pocket. Oops. And in here I do have a little writing board from Amazon, a boogie board. And as you can see, I've got some hats popped on top here for my boys because I took them off them when we went inside to eat. And I don't have very much else in here as my oldest is 13, my youngest is 2, so I don't usually have to take that much. But I do have a Y pouch up the top here in the little elastic pocket here in the pink paradise print. I've got a small Be organized with some Magnaform blocks to keep them entertained while we're waiting for food. Thought we didn't need to because it was Yum Cha, it was instant. So also have a medium set piece with some snack bags and stuff inside. And then I have a LCD writing board from Amazon as well, just in case they needed some things to do. And that's the bag there. It's such a pretty, it looks really nice in the pale pink, I reckon, inside. So there you go. So there is the rose colored glass Be Right Back by JuJuBe. If you have any questions or comments, please pop them below. And I hope you guys have a great weekend. Thanks for watching.